Blow drying for C hair doesn't have to mean heat damage, breakage, or losing your curl pattern. But most people are doing it the wrong way, and their hair is paying the price. The truth is, you don't need expensive tools or tons of products. In this video, I'll show you how to safely blow dry your natural hair using just one simple tool and a proven routine that protects your strands and helps you retain length. Alright, let's start things off with a little unboxing moment, because who doesn't love opening a new hair tool? So my sisters were right here with me, helping me unbox. I've been dying to try this one-step blow dryer. I got mine from PandaMart, and you can probably grab yours there too, or check your nearest beauty store or supermarket. It's becoming a favorite in the natural hair community, and I had to see what the hype was about. It comes with cool, low and high heat settings. We love options, right? Because high heat isn't always the answer. Having control over the temperature is a big deal. This is my hair before, freshly washed, moisturized and braided to stretch. If you want to see how I go about my wash day routine, I've linked my full wash day routine for you to check out. Now here is a non-negotiable heat protectant. I'm using Tresemme Heat Protection Spray. It guards your strands from temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or to 30 degrees Celsius. You can't skip this if you love your hair. I make sure to spray every section, then smooth the product in from roots to ends. We want every single strand coated and protected. Time to blow dry. I've already connected the blow dryer to electricity, and I start on low heat, then shift to high. But here is the trick: section your hair. For C hair is gorgeous and thick, and doing it all at once, that's a recipe for stress. So small sections is equals to less tension and better results. And boom, first section done. What do you think? Is this a yay or a nay? For the next sections, I repeat the same process. That is, I unravel the strands, spray heat protectant, smooth it in, start blow drying. Don't forget to always begin at the ends and work your way up to the roots. Once done, twist the section so it does not revert and clip it away. It keeps you organized and saves you time. As I keep blow drying, let's talk real quick about what's actually happening to your hair when you use heat. It's not just about blow drying, it's about science. Every time we apply heat, we are temporarily breaking the bonds inside our strands. And if we are not careful, that's how heat damage creeps in. Your hair is mostly made of keratin, a protein. Inside, there are two major bonds, hydrogen bonds, which break with water and heat. Disulfide bonds, which give your hair its curl pattern. When you blow dry, you are breaking hydrogen bonds to temporarily reshape your strands. That's why humidity can shrink your style and moisture rebuilds those bonds. But here is where heat damage sneaks in. Too much heat removes your hair's natural moisture, damages the cuticle, that is the outer layer, and even breaks down your keratin proteins. This results to dryness, roughness, split ends, pattern loss, and breakage. But you can avoid all this by using heat protectant, avoiding super high temperatures, limiting heat use, and keeping your hair moisturized with deep conditioners and oils. I'm halfway done, and let me tell you, I'm impressed. Compared to other blow dryers I've used, this one saves me time and glides through my strands like a brush. It's efficient and gentle. Okay, I was sweating here. Blow drying for sea hair is work, okay? It's not a race. Take your time. Rushing only leads to split ends and regret. And just like that, I'm done. Phew! And this blowout just unlocked my Beyonce moment. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling this blow dryer just gave me main character energy. Somebody call Vogue. If you loved this video, subscribe to my channel for great natural hair content. And if you want to see how I keep my hair healthy using Ayurvedic herbs, click this video right here. It will blow your mind in the best way.